Like, what's kind of the why behind the Workforce Alliance, both to the organization, and then let's talk about why personally for you after that.
Well, I think why for the organization is this is really about Connecticut's competitive future. As you said, almost every day there's an article about skill shortage or people's inability to find qualified workers. So and it's if you listen to Blumenthal, I mean, when we talk about this, especially on the manufacturing side, he said not only is it about economics, it's about our national security because we make helicopters here, we make submarines,
sure.
right, and aircraft engines. So and there's a
and a whole lot more too. Not to make too fine a point on it, but right, there's a whole lot of defense manufacturing that goes on in here, including stuff for missiles, radar defense, and all kinds of different stuff.
Yeah. So we need to, and when you're down to where we are in terms of unemployment rates in the country and in Connecticut, you have to train who you got. I was telling my staff I've been trying to come up with something clever that the old Stephen Stills song that said if you can't be with the one you love the one you're with, that kind of thing. So I'm trying to figure out something that says if you can't hire who you want, you got to hire who we got. Or so, I haven't quite
figured it out.
Yeah, but it's something on that line. So. And then, personally, I think it's kind of rewarding on a sense to see people who are unemployed or struggling or having some issue. A job is key. Most people define themselves by how they work, and being able to get people into a good job and onto a good career track.